What's up? This is my Mac Plus. I am going to be fixing it today. And what's wrong with it? Well, I can tell you exactly what's wrong with it. Because I say that all the time. Because I know exactly what's wrong with it. Using what is... I'm going to turn this up. Screen brightness. I am right now using Macintosh Repair Upgrade Secrets. And what it tells me that this problem is that I know what the problem is, but it tells me exactly what the actual issue is. Now, the actual issue, or where the problem lies, is at CR18, a diode. Now, what am I having issues with? 5 volts being undervolted. And when my 5 volts is being undervolted, whenever I plug in a power supply or whenever I plug in a hard drive or a floppy drive or anything, it just doesn't function. I also have to do this real quick because this is dead. Oh. One sec, my plug isn't plugged in. Okay, while we get that to heat up, oh, I even forgot the Mac board. But what we're going to be changing is CR18. What CR18 is, it's a they say that it's a Zener diode, and a Zener diode apparently, it says here, suspects combination, whatever. It just, I guess it just helps with the keeping one voltage and the other voltage set. So you combine 2 voltages from 2 different diodes across the board to create the 5 volts. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna solder it with tweezers, pull it out. I also have to resolder in one of my connectors for my hard drive, because it is not, it fell out. Which could be part of the reason why it doesn't work, but we're gonna fix the whole entire thing because it is undervolting. I saw 4 volts and 4.8 volts, and that's not good enough for it. It thinks it's like overpowering on one voltage end and not the other, because that one diode is dead. Now I'm gonna go grab my donor board. I'll be back. It is super hot out here at the moment, and it's perfect weather for my body. Now if you take a look, this is CR18, the diode, and I'm going to pull it out from there using some tweezers right now. Now you would think, oh, maybe it's undervolted because of capacitors. Well, I replaced every single capacitor in here, or I mean almost every single one except for the low, low microfarad ones, because they're less likely to break and leak from the whole entire thing of being low microfarads. But here we go. I'm going to start by these guys just don't like moving, do they? Oh, I know what I can do. I'm stupid. I forgot I can do this. Oh god, that's gotten mucky because it's been straight out in the sun. Okay. I have a solder sucker here. We're gonna suck up the solder. Okay, alright, it looks like we're good. All we need to do is just take this, take a soldering iron, flick up so it's not touching. Put down this one. And I have 2 donor boards, by the way. These boards don't last long. They break really easily, especially the flybacks die in them. Here's our diode. You can see. Yeah, there's our diode. Old diode. Now I'm just gonna grab a brand new one and stick it in there, and hopefully we'll be done. I just have to adjust it. And I'll show you guys how I'm gonna adjust it. Walking with the dead man on my shoulder. Do 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 do. It's a dead man's party. Dun, dun. Ooh. That is hot. It's just smoldering in the sun. Use my shoe for it. Okay. Alright. Now we can unsolder it from the board. Because it's my donor board, I don't really care for it much. Ah. I have to grab a screwdriver. I'll be right back. I can walk. See, they bend the pins so that it holds in when you solder it. So I have to bend the pins out for it to fall out. But I also want to make sure that I can put it back in straight. So I want to straighten out the pins. Okay. Oh god, it's so hot and outside. Holy crap. Here's our new diode. it's facing up. That's what I thought. Okay. So I'm gonna stick it through. Oh shit. Okay. I just broke it. I don't know how I did that. TN5927. Well, I can get one from one of my other donor boards. I'll be back. One sec. Shit. Let's try not to kill this one. I'm sweating like crazy right now. I didn't even know I could sweat this much. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on out. Perfect. Now all I need to do is just solder it in. Holy crap, I'm sweating. Wow. Okay. Alrighty. Now to test it, what I need to do is I need to take this, the power cord, and I know you shouldn't be doing this, I know. But I do it because I like doing it. I will hurt myself for all you guys. Okay. Doesn't seem to be changing anything, but could be wrong. Hey! I mean, didn't change much, but looks like we're doing good. It could have been not fried because it was doing the exact same thing. It might not be fried. So we might be able to stick it back into the other one because it seems like it might have been that loose wire that I was showing you earlier that probably was giving me the issue. So what I'll do, I'll just put the old one in the donor board. Because this donor board, actually I'm building this donor board into a working board at some point. If I can just get a flyback. Go. Oh, I swear I am. Oh God. I had no clue that I could sweat this much. I am dripping in sweat at the moment. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. I guess that's it. Now all I gotta do is really reassemble it. That's really all. So I'm going to take the hard drive and I'm going to stick it back in. gotta move this out of the way. Hold on. I think this is the wrong way. There you go. AT&T chip. What is that for? Calling on my hard drive. Hey mom, I need you to buy me some toilet paper during the pandemic. Could you go and get some for me? What are you calling on? You don't have a cell phone. I'm calling on my Macintosh, Mom. Ma. It says here it's got an AT&T. But text and data rates, they may apply, son. Ma, don't worry. They won't apply. That is the sound of my... That is the sound of my hard drive, by the way. That... Isn't that beautiful? Told you the bearings were gone. Welcome to Macintosh. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta shut this off. Alright, now we can just assemble it. So, I did a mod on this at one point that allowed me to have a hard drive in it. There's a couple other things I did to this. I also, I have a fan as well. Oh god. So many screws. And I just make it so it unplugs, the fan unplugs using two little clip leads here. Clip things, not clip leads. They're just detachable wires. Ka-chunk! Okay, it's in. Now we just put the screws in, and then we'll be done for the day. Well, it was a good lesson to be learned. That's if it's undervolting and you end up having issues, then it's the C18. If you have 5 volts, but it's not going anywhere above 5 volts, it's C19. I'm going to show you how it works in action. I'm going to show you. It's been a while since it's worked properly. That hard drive always is something that worries me. That's my second one that works. Trying to get the bearings working again. They're too far gone. Hi, Dexter. I'll let you guys experience a beautiful boot up of hard drive with bearings that are gone. It's slow because the battery. Right? What do you mean? Camera do be a camera though. What? Camera do be a camera though. Okay. Beautiful.